How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you the best equalizer settings for your Stealth Turtle Beach 600. So, of course, you want to get the official software for your Stealth application or your Stealth headphones. And from there, let's apply the following equalizer. Now, take note that this specific equalizer is for gaming purposes. But of course, if you want to use it or if you want to tweak a couple of settings, you could simply do so. So the first thing that we have to do is to navigate through the equalizer under Bluetooth. And from here, you just want to apply the following values straight through your equalizer. So for example, for the first one, we have 31.5 hertz. You want to apply -7 decibels. So it's going to be around this area right here. For the second one, we have -5, -3, 0, +1, +4, +5, 6, 4, and +3. Once again, you could just tweak a couple of settings if you don't want this specific values right here. This is specifically made for something like FPS games. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.